Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. A killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, June the 7th, 2023. It's today also war day number 469. 469 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening, but let me continue with this one, the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 6554. 6554. For Killer Sudoku, my average time for solving a Killer Sudoku is 20 to 30 minutes. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 3 stars. Alright, and we have here 2 given numbers. Yeah, nope, 3 given numbers. The 1 in the box of 7, that means the combination here will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Here we have a box of 6 with the given number 2. That means the combination here will be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And here we have a given number 9 in the box of 17. The combination here will be 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. All right. So let's get started. This first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is complete. If you have a complete big square, if you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Yeah, this row has 1 sharing box. Okay, need to remember that row. Here also, nope, here we have 2. Interesting. This big square has 1 sharing box. Okay, let me continue. This one is complete. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Okay, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 14 plus 7 is 21. 15 plus 5 is 20. 21 plus 20 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In this triple box of 15, those 2 boxes together should be 11. Okay, we go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In a box of 8, the combination here will be 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And now we have here a big square with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number that box is, because those 2 boxes together should be a number, and with all the other numbers will be 45. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 plus 16 is 36. 36. So 36, that means these 2 boxes together should be a 9. 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. In this triple box of 14, that means that box 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Okay. Now my next strategy. Next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. For example, the box of 4. Only 1 combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Here we have also a box of 17. Combination is 9 plus 8. Only 1 combination. 9 plus 8. Here the box of 16. Only 1 combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Here we have 15, 6, 14, 10, 6, 11, 9, 5, 8, 10, 8, 10, 5, 22, okay, 17, 7, 14, 16, triple. Not we have here triples, totally different than that box. Here we have 2 numbers, here 3 numbers. 14, 9, 5, 14, 15, 5. 14, 11, 15. No. We go to this big square. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. 2 combinations. The first combination, 9 plus 6. Well, I cannot use 9 and the 6 because the 6 is already used in this big square. So 1 combination left. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 5. Otherwise, I need minus 4. Minus 4 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So it should be here in the box of 14, the number 9. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. The other 2 numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. Yeah, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, second row. So in the first row, only 3 place level 2 should be in the triple box of 16. Okay. We have an 8 here in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 9 then, and that box should be an 8 then. Okay. Now, 11. No. Well, let me think. 3, 1. Interesting. 9 and a 5. Double 7, 8 and 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. Double 7 is not allowed. The 9 and the 5 is already used in the last row, so only 1 combination left. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. Well, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 7 goes there. 8, 8, 8. Well, 7. Need to think. 6, 6, 6. Interesting. Need a 4 here. 4 here. We need a 4 in the last row. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can be 4 because in the box of 8, I need another 4 then. Double 4 is not allowed. So the only 2 places left for the 4 should be in the box of 6. Combination will be 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4. Let me mark those. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. If I place the 7 here in the box of 10, then the combination will be 7 plus 3. Well, the 3 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 7 there. The 7 should be here. And the 1 should be the other side. Okay, here in the box of 8 the combination will be 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Here in the box of 10 the combination will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Okay, 9 and 7, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Need a 7 in this row. Last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. And need a 3 also here. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6. Should be here in this triple box of 15. Here can it be a 3. We have a 3 in the third column. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 5, I need a 5 here. Need a 5 here in this triple box of 15. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those, 2 and a 4. Okay. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 in a box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this big square. So the 2 should be in a box of 5. The combination will be 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those. That means the other two numbers in this row should be the 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Yeah, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. In this triple box of 19, those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19, okay. Then, two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be here. These two boxes together should be 11. So it should be 5 and the 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 4 is equal to 15, yeah. 3 and a 1, we have already a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. All right. So, well, we have the box of 5. There are two combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this column, so cannot be used 1 and a 4. So the 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. That means we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. All right. Well, we have a box of 5 again. Cannot use the... I cannot place the 2 here, because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So and I cannot place the 2 there, because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the combination 2 and a 3 is not possible. So it should be the 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. So two numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and a 9. 7 and 9 are missing. Yeah, 7 and 9. We have an 8 there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22 in this triple box of 22. All right. Okay. Need a 2 here, but we already have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, okay. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. In the box of 15, the combination will be 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 375, 375, 375, 375, and look, we have a 7 and a 5 in the second column, so this box should be a 3 then, and the 7 and the 5 are left as a pair. 2 and a 4 here, okay. Need a 1, yeah, 1, 1. Well, there are two combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. 1 plus 4 cannot be used because we have a 4 in this row. So I cannot place the 4 there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now. In this second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. 1, 1. Well, let me think. I need an 8 here. I need an 8 here. Well, I need an 8 in this big square. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 11. Otherwise, the combination will be 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. We have a 3 already in this big square. So the 8 should be in one of those two boxes. The 8 is missing. We have an 8 in this one. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So here, two numbers left. The 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Well, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 in this triple box of 14. So now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 3, okay. 5. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. So the 5 should be here. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. We have a 2 and a 3 there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 8 plus 2. Then 4 and a 6. We have 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next on that column. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. And 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 8 plus 6. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Well, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In this triple box of 14, the combination will be 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. Oh, we already have a 3 here. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. In the box of 7, the combination will be 6 plus 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, the 8, and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 in this triple box of 17. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Yeah, 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. We have a 2 in this column. We have a 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. I need 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.